foods to avoid and what to eat instead for a breath makeover. Fresh breath is more than brushing and flossing, it starts with the foods you consume. Certain foods can leave lingering odors, while others help neutralize them. Understanding foods to avoid and what to eat instead for a breath makeover is essential for maintaining a confident smile. Want to eliminate bad breath and feel confident every time you smile? Click the link below in the description to get more details. Foods to avoid. 1. Garlic and onions. These contain sulfur compounds that enter the bloodstream and are exhaled through the lungs, causing persistent bad breath. 2. Sugary foods and drinks. Candies, sodas, and pastries feed oral bacteria, which produce odor-causing compounds. 3. Dairy products. High-fat dairy like cheese and milk can create an environment for bacteria, leading to halitosis. 4. Processed meats. Bacon, sausages, and deli meats contain preservatives that encourage bacterial growth and worsen breath. 5. Alcohol and coffee. Both dehydrate the mouth, reducing saliva, which naturally cleanses and neutralizes odors. Foods to eat instead. 1. Crunchy fruits and vegetables. Apples, carrots, and celery remove food particles and stimulate saliva. 2. Green leafy vegetables. Spinach and kale contain chlorophyll to naturally deodorize the mouth. 3. Probiotic yogurt. Supports beneficial oral bacteria and reduces odor. 4. Fresh herbs. Parsley, mint, and cilantro offer immediate breath-freshening effects. 5. Green tea and water. Green tea's polyphenols fight bacteria, while water keeps the mouth hydrated. By replacing odor-causing foods with these alternatives, anyone can achieve lasting freshness. Focusing on foods to avoid and what to eat instead for a breath makeover ensures not just short-term freshness but a healthier, more confident smile. Ready for a cleaner mouth and more confident smile? Want to eliminate bad breath and feel confident every time you smile? Click the link below in the description to get more details. Thanks for watching.